Since 2007, the Watershed Roofing and Restoration team has provided professional, commercial, and residential roofing services for all clients throughout the Colorado Front Range and mountain communities. Our roofing specialists team offers the highest quality services and are dedicated to protecting our customers with reliable and dependable roofs. A native Colorado company, Watershed is A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau for its outstanding customer service and quality workmanship in all low slope and steep slope roofing applications. Call us today.